Hey everybody, Brent Yax here with Awcom. I wanted to take an opportunity to have a little chat with you about AI today. We get a lot of customer, clients, friends, partners that ask us, every day what our opinion is on AI. What should they be doing? Should they jump in and start exploring kind of the AI opportunities? What really should they make of this? Because it seems like it's on, something every day that AI is doing this, AI is doing that. And then you have kind of the extreme views of AI where it's either going to take over the world and we should be afraid, or it's the best thing that I've ever seen and everybody should be doing it. So the reality of it is it's obviously somewhere in the middle. It is a great tool, but there's also a lot of potential risks associated with it for business owners. So this is a very high level view for a business owner to consider before you start going down the path of jumping into AI. So a couple of the very big risks that we see, or at least I think everybody should know about, have to do with data protection and security, as well as transparency with clients. So my recommendation before you ever start to, utilize AI and build out new programs and platforms and dig into tools and start, trying everything, is that you really think through what's the impact going to be to my business and to my clients' businesses. So when you talk about data security, data privacy, you have to keep in mind that all of these AI tools out there, ChatGPTs, the Fathoms, all of these things that people are trying to use have a copy of the data that you put out there and they own it. So it's not protected. It's not something that you can be in a safe space working in ChatGPT and put all of this information out there and expect that you're protected. You have to really think through where that data is going to go and what you're going to do with that. So if it's, your intellectual property, there's a very big risk with you putting it out to some of these public AI tools. So think through that. Think through what data you want to be able to protect, what data you're going to allow from your organization to go out there in AI. Maybe you have some, sales and marketing initiatives that is not really protected. You don't have to worry about it. You don't need to make sure that it's secured. And you can go out there and play with some of these tools and test them. That's fine. The other thing is transparency. So if, for example, you're going to go out and use some of these tools and you have client data or something related to your clients or your relationship with your clients that you're going to use in some of these tests, well, you owe it to them really to be transparent and clear that you intend to use that data that way. Because like I said, once it goes out there, it's not really something you can control anymore. So, worst case scenario would be you get this information out there and then one of your clients finds out and sees it somewhere in some other application that they've never given you permission to do. And now they're going to come back to you and really ask, what the heck's going on? Why would you do this? And you're really going to have some egg on your face. So what I say is cover those two. Make sure you know what you're putting out there. Make sure that you're transparent with your clients. Those are just the fundamental things you need to do before you really get into the fun part, which is exploring the ways in which it can help you, help your business, help your clients, the fun side of AI. So cover the basics and then start taking a look at the more fun stuff.